Most people pay a lot of attention to their appearance. This normally translates to time and money spent on making our complexion as clear as possible. Lotions and exfoliants, masks and special soaps all find their way onto our faces to help us turn back the clock. Yet, have you ever taken the time to consider if your hands look the same age as your face? Our hands actually take much more abuse than our cheeks or forehead, but sadly, we don't do much to take care of them. We've put together a quick list of tips so you can give your hands the proper care and treatment that they deserve. Avoid too much sun. Whenever any part of our body gets too much exposure to the sun, it can cause premature aging. And while you probably use sunscreen on your face, back, and shoulders, you might be prone to neglect your hands. Don't. Next time you go to the pool or beach, make sure to protect your hands from harmful UV rays with a natural sunscreen. Use good soap. Instead of using a harsh, stringent soap that strips necessary oils from your skin, try treating your hands like you would your face. Choose a soap that moisturizes and treats your hands with care because you wash them many times a day. Protect your hands. When working outside, pumping iron, or simply spending time in lower temperatures, it's never a bad idea to protect your hands. Keep them warm, soft, and free from harmful chemicals no matter what you're doing with a nice pair of gloves. By avoiding calluses or extreme conditions, your hand will look and feel younger. Hydrate. Yes, your skin needs water, and that includes your hands. Be sure to drink adequate amounts of water daily to help maintain healthy skin. Coconut oil also is a great way to make sure that your hands don't dry out and crack from being so dry. Exfoliate. Every once in a while, your hands need a good scrubbing. Use a homemade exfoliant with natural ingredients to do away with dead skin and rejuvenate your hands. However, be careful not to exfoliate so often that you irritate your skin. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.